Plus on a day when you don't reach time like this, you go no say na time to laugh, and nothing we will get as calling that to make una laugh. People will even still they move to and fro as una don't hear them for every comedy we una don't they watch for MITV say take a seat so you can listen to this flow, because me know they take time. I don't want to be slow with the roll of my intro that I know is faster than Metro. That go from Tokyo to Mexico in a ratio of flow that blow the snow to roll. And that will enable you to know my indigo at a go. And you say, oh no, this is just like rainbow. How na day? You see, so things we say when I talk say I be the son of the king of rhyme, and I don't even feel, let you feel a bit of the rhyme, you know, even good. Some people don't declare, I don't know why everything, this will cost for the country. Me not to say, this thing will cost, suppose, can they make you, they provoke. Can they make you the vessel, you know, if you achieve things. Now this time you go no say better things said the other day. Pepper cost, food cost. You know happy. People wear witch, all those witch and wizard where they feed for dream. You know no say no they come again. Even themselves no get money to buy food for themselves. Now to can't even carry money, go they spend, they cook. They give people food for dream. You see how way happen again. That's why you go thank God for your life. Say things where they happen for this country. No be small thing. But as if no be that one I want even bring come your domo make you see what they happen. One of my friend, because myself come pray one prayer when I see say something happen for my friend recently, but the guy now, you know, all the northern people will be my friend because I they like Aboki well. When they hear back so ayani, I wanna get scared. It means say an official Abina. So this my friend they complain say no, they just carry money go add the thing take happen. He say he go meet the bank manager, say he want open account and he load money inside. The bank manager can't tell us say make him no sign, make him no let anybody see his signature because they don't do it. They go forge the signature. And the guy here, don't let anybody to see. No halana. The bank manager called the ask him, where your checkbook? He said, you know, say again. Wait till happen. I say, make you not allow anybody to see your signature. This is, I make you not allow anybody to see your checkbook. He said, you know, allow. Thank God, say you don't even say make anybody don't see my signature. I don't want me to forge them. I don't sign every of the check. I don't sign bogu pata. The bank manager just fainted. I say, make you not let anybody see the sign. You even can't sign the checkbook, my brother. Your money don't finish. Now, some me come they pray and say, you know, bankers now. People when they work for bank, man, do me two favors. Now just two things you go. I want you to give me a loan and leave me alone. All right, ladies and gentlemen, me no go now sharply me want to do on top this segment because no time to check time. The one where I guess have no correct. Those of you that know that for God to make our medulla oblongata, they work like data without inverter, and it's faster than computer, even more brighter. Many people don't know what is the matter. They want to be like Utaka, but they no reason the matter. They thought Utaka is a fighter. Now they've traded their brain by butter, and the brain does scatter. You know, so not be everything where they look glitter go feel way on the meter. That is why I love to play on my jita that is sweeter than semovita. If you get bread, I'll be like butter. I'm hotter than your toaster. You can test me with your tester. Don't use thermometer because this my temperature will break your thermometer. If you doubt what I hotter, when you get home, tell your daughter to switch on your theater. Are they everywhere like water? I'm so greater. I'm bigger than matter. I can't be measured by meter. I pass kilometer. Like one Ijesha painter. It's MC90. You say you are bigger than matter. You pass kilometer. Draw kilometer. You know Ijesha people now. I say na mouth, but it is sweeter than Fanta. He busted out in laughter. He said, what an encounter, bros. You are a jester. It's like I've seen you on a poster with one of my printer. Can you please flash me your contact like pointer? I said, for you to know more better. So you won't think I'm from Delta because an hunter without a lighter is like a writer without character. So he said, flash me your contact so that I can have it. I say, follow me on Twitter, type in these letters, M for meter, C like Chivita, 9 and 0, then S like sister. Click on enter, it will take you to a center that look experimental. Because on my own transmitter, I love to filter. During the winter,